The flat flourish. The flat flourish begins by holding the two sticks level, pinched between the finger and the thumb. What we're going to do is we're going to throw these two sticks in towards the player's body, and as we do that we'll release them. Now once we release them, it's very important to keep the fist in this position and open. If you close up the fist, it won't allow the string to turn and the stick will therefore stop. So it's very important to keep the fist open and in that position there. And the wrist simply moves back and forward to make the flourish move. Okay, so two sticks level, and we're going to throw them in towards each other. 1, 2, and throw. And keeping the fists nice and open, and just a gentle movement of the wrist keeps that motion going for us. Both sticks coming in towards the player's body at the same time. And a catch. Okay, the catch is exactly the same as how you would catch a single, in between the finger and the thumb. Okay, now let's see that movement again, but from the player's perspective this time. So we're starting off holding the flat flourish level, and we're going to release it again, throwing it in towards the player's body after 2. 1, 2, throw. And again keeping that fist nice and open and the thumb down out of the way so the stick can turn freely. And catch. Now let's try it again, but we're going to flourish for 4 counts. After 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and catch. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and catch.